Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. Today's video has been a highly requested video. This isn't a new product on the market, but this is the Rizos Curl Defining Cream, and I will be reviewing this product. I'll do it in the 5 categories I review all products in. I'll start with the packaging, then the price, move on to the application, then the quality and size, and last the results. But before we get into this video, please join the Curl Factory family. Follow me on YouTube and on social media as well. The first category is the packaging, and this is very simple packaging. However, when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, what is that? The packaging did catch my eyes. The bottle is white, there's a girl with nice big curly hair, the writing in cursive. It did, as I said, catch my eye. On the front it says it's a curl defining cream. It contains aloe, coconut oil as well as shea. On the packaging, it also tells us that it creates bouncy, shiny, frizz-free, voluminous curls. It defines and holds without leaving hair crunchy, and that is true. And then it also has aloe vera, the benefits of it, shea butter, the benefits, and coconut oil as well. As I said, this did catch my eye in terms of packaging, so the rating I'm going to give it is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now let's talk price. I did buy this from the Naturally Curly online store, and I paid $21.99. That was expensive for me. I do think there are cream stylists and other stylists that are cheaper. I didn't like the price of this at all, so the rating I'm going to give it for price is 2 out of 5. That's 2 curls. Now let's talk about the application. So you just squirt this out. It's white in color and it comes out fairly easily. The texture is very soft. It is a cream and it has a very strong smell to it. It doesn't smell fruity, it doesn't smell flowery, it actually doesn't have the best of smells. But if you're someone where smell is very important, you're not going to really like the smell of this, but for me the smell is just okay. It's a cream styler, it glides onto your hair easily. Application is easy as well. You can apply it in larger sections. The application for me was okay, so the rating I'm going to give this for application is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now let's talk quality and size. This bottle is 10 fluid ounces or 296 milliliters. I think the size is okay. When it comes to ingredients, it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens. As I said earlier, it contains aloe, coconut oil as well as shea. The quality and size is okay. I'm quite happy with that. So the rating I'm going to give it is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Finally, a category that's important to all of us, which is the results. My hair doesn't care for creams, but this did a fairly good job. And on social media a while back, many of you were like, what is in your hair? And I was like, it's the Rizos curls. So I got a lot of compliments when I had this in my hair. It did a good job. When it came to longevity, it was a no for me. I really had to refresh my hair every day, but once my hair dried, it did give amazing results. I do not have this in my hair at the moment, but as I said, if you're someone who's willing to really refresh your hair every single day, then you're going to like this. So when it came to day 1 results, I will give this 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. When it comes to just the overall results in terms of longevity, it was a little bit of a pain to have to really refresh my hair every day. I did not enjoy that. So if I'm going to give it results based on longevity of the product, this would actually get 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Rizos Curl Defining Cream. Drop your comments down below. Let me know if you've tried it or if this review was helpful. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.